It's funny. If you need a new pair of shoes, you might browse around a bit, maybe wander through a mall on a Saturday.
Sure.
But if you wake up with a toothache, you are not wandering anywhere. You're grabbing your phone and just frantically searching.
You're not looking for a brand name at that point. You're looking for a savior.
Exactly.
And that is the core reality we're looking at today. We're doing a deep dive into the high-stakes world of digital marketing for dental and orthodontic clinics.
And we're using research from Samyak Online, an agency that's been in this space for over 20 years.
That's right.
Their main argument seems to be that visibility equals trust. But then I started reading about AI SEO and LLM SEO in their notes, and it started to look like alphabet soup.
Mm-hmm.
Is this actual new tech, or is it just marketing speak for, we use ChatGPT to write blogs?
It's actual tech, but it's not about writing with AI. It's about writing for the AI.
Okay.
See, Samyak Online distinguishes between two things here. First, there's AI SEO. It's basically using machine learning on the back end to analyze search patterns and automate the heavy lifting like mapping thousands of keywords to figure out what a patient actually wants.
Okay, so that's the efficiency play. But then what is LLM SEO?
That is the new frontier. Think about how you search now. You don't just type dentist.
Yeah.
You ask conversational questions.
Totally. I'd type something like, is Invisalign better than braces for adults? Or, who is the best dentist for root canal in Delhi?
Exactly.
Oh.
And traditional SEO struggles with those long sentences. But LLM SEO, large language model SEO, is designed to capture them.
How?
It's all about entity optimization. Basically, Google's AI doesn't just read words anymore. It connects concepts. It needs to know that Dr. Smith, the entity, performs Invisalign, another entity, in Gurgaon, a location entity.
So you're basically connecting the dots for the computer.
You're building a knowledge graph. If you map those connections clearly in your site's code, the AI trusts you enough to recommend you directly in a generated answer, instead of just burying you in a list of links.
That makes sense. But let's, bring this down to earth. If I'm a local dentist, surely I still need people to just find my office on Google Maps, right?
Oh, absolutely.
I can't live on AI chat alone.
No, local SEO is still the bread and butter. Samyak Online emphasizes targeting high-intent keywords, things like emergency dentist or orthodontist near me.
Right, the stuff people search when they're ready to book now.
Precisely. But to capture them, you need more than just a map pin. You need something called medical schema.
I saw that term. It sounds like something from a biology textbook.
Yeah.
What's the actual payoff of using medical schema?
It's code that talks specifically to search engines. It lets Google pull your star ratings, your hours, or even a Book Now button and display them right on the search results page.
So it's about signaling authority.
It is. But here's the catch. You can have the fancy schema and the AI entity mapping, but if your mobile site takes 10 seconds to load,
Google drops you.
Yep, because the patient has already bounced.
Of course.
And that was the massive hurdle for one of their clients, Shami Nakash. His site was built on Joomla.
Oh, Joomla, right. That is not exactly the easiest platform to work with these days.
It's complex, it's older, and optimizing it for speed is like trying to tune a vintage engine to race against a Ferrari. Shami even called the work tedious.
I bet.
But Samyak Online spent 5 months overhauling it and actually moved all their speed scores into the green zone.
Which is pretty rare for a legacy site like that.
It is. Shami explicitly mentioned other teams couldn't deliver that result. And that technical foundation allows all the other stuff, the landing pages for teeth whitening, the Google ads for implants, to actually convert.
And they have to do all this while navigating the ethical side of things, right? You can't just promise a perfect smile without context.
That's a huge point. Medical marketing has strict boundaries about patient privacy and consent. They highlight that ethical digital marketing isn't just a nice-to-have. It's a compliance requirement.
So, to wrap this up, it seems like the goalpost has just completely moved. It's not just about getting traffic anymore.
Yeah.
It's about becoming the chosen clinic in a really crowded digital space.
As Samyak Online puts it, you need to be discoverable, trusted, and chosen. In a world where AI is starting to curate our reality, having that technical structure, the entities, the schema, the speed, is really the only way to make sure you're part of the conversation.
It's a weird feedback loop, isn't it? We're teaching the AI how to be a dentist just so the AI can tell us which dentist to see.
It raises a big question. As these AI agents get smarter, will we even stop browsing dental websites entirely?
What do you mean?
Will we just trust the AI to not only find the best doctor, but to go ahead and access their calendar and book the appointment for us.
That is a wild thought, something to chew on next time you're brushing your teeth. Thanks for listening to this deep dive.